Okay, gents, quick fire round. So what's your favourite product, Dave?
It'll have to be the MLR 1060 for me.
Why is that then?
It's just, the racing's my passion. It's what makes me go to work. It's what, you know, after the family. It's what makes me function. And if that thing's breaking down or blowing turbos off, that's not going to make me a happy boy. And the MLR 1060 product is the thing that we found, and we get zero grief off it.
You can trust
reliability. In it. So when I want a smile on my face on a Sunday afternoon, that makes sure it happens for me. So that's my reason.
Excellent.
Sound job.
How about you, Guy?
Yeah, mate, dead simple, MD4.
MD4,
yeah. The spray, use
why
it
is that up there for you?
Oh, yeah, man. Clean chains with it, oil chains with it, chainsaw chains.
Yeah.
Polish me plastics with it, polish me wheels with it. Clean me kitchen implements with it, oil me door hinges with it.
You can pop round and do some of my trophies with it. They're going rusty.
Yeah, you see, that'll do the job. Yeah, we can nearly use it for...
Good all-rounder for you.
Yeah, the best. Does, honestly. Good penetrating properties. Yeah, use it for out, mate.
Thanks, gents.
The best.